Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Hands-on with GoPro's new Hero 13 Black. Sound quality is something that many camera and phone makers don't pay much attention to. The new Hero 13 Black adds great sound to amazing 5.3K video, including a voice mode that gives priority to speech. The camera also supports Apple AirPods and other Bluetooth earbuds and wireless mics. The Hero 13 Black also features new magnetic mounting, which makes using the camera faster and easier and more versatile. VP Rick Loughery says you have
traditional fingers that pop out of the camera. It's also magnetic, so there's a ball and joint mount and a new mount, so you can quickly take it off one mount and put it onto the other.
There's a better, longer-lasting battery and amazing slo-mo capability. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin.
Power life with good energy. That's been the philosophy at GoSun. We've been telling you about their remarkable ovens that let you cook with the power of the sun, day or night, rain or shine. And the innovations there continue. I've been using a GoSun cooler for years. Keep your food cold or even frozen without the need for heavy and messy ice. You can plug it in at home, in the car, or use battery power recharged by the sun. One of the latest innovations is the solar heated seat. Founder Patrick Sherwin and his team have created a seat that can warm you up fast in any weather. The battery is long-lasting and can be charged by a solar panel built right into the seat. And when you don't need the heat, you can keep your devices charged using that same solar panel and battery wherever you go. They have a lot more to show you, so pay a visit at gosun.co.